Does investing into multiple different all world funds actually increase diversification and give you an edge to the stock market? None of what I show you is a recommendation, and I don't invest into any of these all world funds. This is just for an example. You can see this is the Vanguard FTSE All World, probably the most popular all world fund on Trading 212. Now, the thing is, you have to understand what the fund actually invests into, because every single all world fund will invest into slightly different companies. And if you buy multiple different funds, technically you are increasing diversification, but by the smallest amount, which might not make any difference in terms of your returns, but might make a difference in terms of fees. So this is the VWRP, and I'd look at just two things: the sector diversification and the region diversification or allocation. As you can see, the sector allocation for the VWRP is around 32% technology, 16% financial, and the list goes on. Here is another example of an all-world fund. This is the iShares Core MSCI World. When you look at fund allocation, you can see it is a bit different. Technology is down a bit, and you can read the list, but it goes on. Now let's compare the country diversification. This is the VWRP. You can see it's 62% in the USA, so a lot of the S&P 500. Then it's about 6% Japan, United Kingdom at 3.4%. The list goes on. This is the SWA. This is the iShares one. As you can see, way higher weighting towards the USA, and then Japan's actually higher too. So essentially, by investing into multiple different all worlds, you're not actually increasing diversification, because you're buying pretty much the same stocks over and over again. If you really want to get a specific region and the percentages in your own way, then you could buy multiple different funds that don't overlap. For example, you can buy the S&P 500, then the FTSE Japan, and then the FTSE 100, for example. Or you can buy an all world that is closest to what you want to invest into and your percentage allocation. If you'd like to get started with investing on Trading 212, you can get a free fractional share worth up to £100. Now, all you have to do is to go into the promo code section of the Trading 212 app and then just use my code JUBAIR.